Very good morning to you all, dear students. So after your summer vacation, I am going to start how to add integers without number line. You have come to know how to add integers on the number line. Hope everyone had understood the concept. So without a number line, how will you add the integers? For example, 11 plus minus 7. Here 11 is positive integer and minus 7, this one is your negative integer. So how will you add? There are two signs, plus and minus at a time. So two signs cannot present at a time. So what will you do? You will have to simplify the signs at first. So it will be your 11 minus 7. Plus into minus is your minus. Now you know how to subtract 7 from 11. It's very simple. In usual way, you need to find out the difference between 11 and 7. It will be your 4. So the main concept in this step for this question is you have to multiply plus 1 with minus 1. Then plus 1 into minus 1 will be your minus. Plus minus minus. Next, here you see it is minus 13, which is your negative integer, and this is your plus 18. It's your positive integer, and you have to add this negative integer with this positive integer. So what will you do? Remove the bracket at first. It will be your minus 13 and then plus into plus. It will be plus. Plus into minus is minus. Plus into plus is plus only. Plus into plus means plus 1 into plus 1. It will be plus 1 only. And 1 into 18 will be your 18. Okay. So plus into plus will be plus and it will be your 18. Now minus 13 plus 18. This is negative. This one is positive. Here positive integer is greater than this negative integer. You can write down this step like this way also, 18 minus 13, since it is positive and this is negative, and this one is 13 is smaller than 18, so you can write down this step like this way. Now it's very simple. You just find out the difference between 18 and 13. It will be 5. Okay. Here positive integer is greater than the negative integer. That means 18 is greater than 13. Again 18 is positive, 13 is negative. So you have to subtract 13 from 18. And you are adding a negative integer with a positive integer. Next, look at this question. This is minus 250. It is your negative integer. And this is your plus 150. This is positive integer. So first of all, remove the bracket. It will be minus 250 and this will be plus into plus. Will be your plus. And it will be 150. Now here you see 150 is smaller than 250. Now 150 is positive, 250 is negative. That means here negative integer is greater than the positive integer. Means since 250 is greater than 150, so what will you do? You will have to subtract 150 from 250, but the answer will be your negative. The number which contains negative sign is greater than the number which contains positive sign. So you need to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. That means if you subtract 150 from 250, it will be what? It will be your 100. Clear? But since 250 contains negative sign, the bigger one contains negative sign, so the answer will also contain negative sign. So our answer will be negative. So when you add a negative integer with a positive integer and the number containing negative sign is bigger than the number containing the positive sign, then your answer will be always negative. Just remember it.